From the floor of the CME Group, this is Danny Riley on today's Cash Close. You know what we're going to call this video? We're going to call this, it's really not even a title, it's just a fact. We're not here to fight City Hall, and if the S&P is going higher, we want to go for the ride. The high of the day in the S&P came in at 1968.20, early afternoon. The low came in at 1958.70, early morning. And last, we're 1967.5. We're up 7 handles on the day. Total volume, 1.4 million minis trade and 2.1 thousand big S&Ps trade in the pit. MOC, we had another MIM flip. It started out to the south side and it ended up MOC by 300 million. Tomorrow we've got the chain store sales number. We've got the jobless claims number. We've got the wholesale trade number. We've got the EIA Natural Gas Report. We got a 30-year bond auction. We got Esther, George, and Stanley Fischer from the Fed speaking. And last but not least, tell me I'm wrong. Are these actually economic releases? The Fed balance sheet and money supply? I know I throw it out there all the time. Tell me what this stuff is. Listen, I tried to keep you guys bullish. I also tried to tell you that I thought that we could see some weakness throughout this week. With all that stuff behind us, the quarterly rebalance, the end of the month, you know, the whole bit, the June expiration, you know, what else was in there? But I tried to tell you guys, after we get past this, we'll probably get some kind of pullback. We got it on Monday, we got it on Tuesday. My call coming in was strictly buy weakness. I think they're going up. And additionally, I said that call was going to hold for the next 2 days, Thursday and Friday. But here's my thing. I think that tomorrow could be a sideways to down day, kind of a back and fill day before they go back up for a Friday rip. And, you know, but we got to wait to see what's going to go on tomorrow's trade. But they are going out on a very firm note. And I've got a question to ask you. And I want you to hit me back up on the YouTube channel and tell me, what kind of meat do the bulls eat? What kind of meat do the bulls eat? And then last but not least, I want to point out, we got a Mr. Top Step 10 handle rule exactly to the T. 1968 quarter low to 1978 quarter equals 10 handles. If you're not following that, you should. And we're going to leave it like that. We're looking for the pit bulls Thursday, Friday low. I keep trying to tell you guys, I'm not your chartist, I'm your field guy. I'll see you tomorrow on the opening print.